How was your day? How was your day? Do you like going to school? Do you like going to school? Do you like your classmate? Do you like your classmate? I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue. Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, sweetie. Be nice to your friends. Be nice to your friends. Does it hurt? Does it hurt? Don't chew gum in class. Don't chew gum in class. Share your ice cream. Share your ice cream. I am here for you. Sweetheart, I am here for you. Sweetheart, it's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying. Play with your sister, okay? Play with your sister, okay? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. You grow so fast. You grow so fast. Have you got this part? Have you got this part? What story would you like to hear tonight? What story would you like to hear tonight? You are good listener. You are good listener. Are you hungry? What would you like to eat? Are you hungry? What would you like to eat? Don't play in the dirty play. Don't play in the dirty play. Here's an ice cream for you, kiddo. Here's an ice cream for you, kiddo. Be patient. Be patient. Let's practice spelling new words. Let's practice spelling new words. Keep it down. Keep it down. Please put your shoes in the rack. Please put your shoes in the rack. Speak up when you need help. Speak up when you need help. Don't touch that. It's very hot. Don't touch that. It's very hot. Blow out the candles, baby. Blow out the candles, baby. That was a wise choice. That was a wise choice. Could you turn down the music, please? Could you turn down the music, please? Take it one step at a time. Take it one step at a time. That's enough cake. That's enough cake. What do you say? What do you say? Speak softly. Please speak softly. Please don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Time to study. Put the phone down. Time to study. Put the phone down. Don't fight over it anymore. Don't fight over it anymore. Can you help me fold the laundry? Can you help me fold the laundry? You must stop playing games. You must stop playing games. Let me check. Let me check. Grandma, tell me the story, please. Grandma, tell me the story, please. Remember to put your garbage in the trash can. Remember to put your garbage in the trash can. Don't forget to water flowers. Don't forget to water flowers. Don't litter. Don't litter. Please cover your mouth when you cough. Please cover your mouth when you cough. Let me help you hang the clothes, Mom. Let me help you hang the clothes, Mom. It's time for your shower. It's time for your shower. Drink your milk. It's good for you. Drink your milk. It's good for you. Read after me. Read after me. Mom, I am thirsty. Mom, I am thirsty. Mom, I got a bad mark. Mom, I got a bad mark. Do your math homework. Do your math homework. Let's draw a picture together. Let's draw a picture together. It's time for dinner. Wash your hands. It's time for dinner. Wash your hands. Put your toys away after playing. Put your toys away after playing. Don't forget your jacket. Don't forget your jacket. Be nice to your sister. Be nice to your sister. Don't climb on that. Don't climb on that. Don't step in the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Do like this. Do like this. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. How about a hug? How about a hug? Do you need to go pee? Do you need to go pee? Don't play ball in the house. Don't play ball in the house. We need to go home. We need to go home. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Hurry up. Hurry up. Don't do that. It's not nice. Don't do that. It's not nice. No whining. No whining. How dare you speak to me like that? How dare you speak to me like that? Can you share a little bit with your sister? Can you share a little bit with your sister? Take a few more bites. Take a few more bites. Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? It's time to get dressed. We have to go within an hour. It's time to get dressed. We have to go within an hour. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. I am sorry. I am sorry. Daddy's gone to work. Daddy's gone to work.